Short sleeve, I have 2.
Yes.
Undershirts, I think I have 6. Is that what I said?
Yeah. No, for me, no. I have no need to run.
Shorts, 2 pair. What else? Oh, underpants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four underpants. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 1 pair of pants. One pair of pants. Where's that?
Oh my God. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hey po. Hi, Sir John. Good morning. Hi, King. Good morning, everyone. Sir John, good morning po. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. You are strong. Strong. Thank you. I'm a stronger destiny. Boundedness is key.
7, 9,
Stronger. Thank you for 40 people in the house. Hi, Geraldine Borigas. Hello.
26.
Yeah.
Is it?
26? Yes, 26.
What's 26?
Thank you so likes. Kuya Dre, Jollibee, Mike, what's up? Hi, Kuya Dre.
Oh, good. shall be returned the same day after 4. So it's 8:30, so it should be done today.
But it's today.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So all we have to do is total this.
Mm.
How much? Calculate 390 plus 720 plus 135 plus 480 plus 135 equals.
Expensive. 1,800. Maybe because the service also for the.
Yeah, well, they're washing it and folding it and
Yes.
bringing it back. I gotta make some money. Okay. Now's it on. Okay, I'll do that. All right, so
Yeah,
now
you need
just,
to guest printed name and signature. You need to sign that. Guest printed name and signature. You need to put the.
well, not yet, because it said acknowledge that all items delivered and
Okay.
received in good condition.
Okay.
So I don't wanna sign that till,
After.
right. See now, look, we got copies. You sure don't need nothing washed?
You need to call 105.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Have a nice there.
Huh?
Have a nice ice there.
I don't think we have enough. But it should be cold though.
Okay.
It's in the refrigerator, it should be cold. It should be.
It's okay. I know.
It's probably melted.
Melted.
It's melted. It's all melted.
It's fine.
You want a Coke or a Sprite or something?
You. Not me, I don't.
You don't want?
I want, but not
You
now.
want?
I want.
You want Lucky Lucky?
Yeah.
Always now.
I want the.
Oh my God. All right, I gotta call them. Let's see. How's my charging here? It's good.
Hi, Sir Bam.
Good morning. Yes, I have a load of laundry I'd like to have done, room 310. I'm sorry? I can't understand her. Can you talk to her?
Hi, po. Yes, po. Yes, po. Apa. Room 310 po. Apa. Thank you po. Okay, you need
That's it. Hang up.
hang on.
Now, what'd she say?
If you want to pick up the laundry, then and that's why I said yes. Okay, the housekeeping come here and they pick up the laundry.
Okay. So I leave this out for them. I'm gonna leave a copy for me,
Yeah.
for my wifey and me. Right?
Right.
See, glass is nice, but this is what's bad. It makes too many marks. Because at home I have a glass coffee table. It's beautiful, but it gets dirty too easy.
Easy to dirty.
Yeah.
Having fun. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you so much. Hi, Kuya Dre. Hi, Poo. Thank you, Sir Bell. Also, Pavanel. Hi. Lanel.
Need this one here. That should be good.
I'm a strong
Brush the teeth. Leave this for the long one. Try some of that medicine I brought for you for your cough.
I eat the not good for me. That's why I cough. But I'm fine now. I'm fine now.
You sure?
Yeah.
Where's you still doing live? Oh yeah.
I'm so annoyed.
Oh.
Hi, thank you, Kuya Jay. Sir Bell. Oh, not Sir Fred. Maybe she's busy. Thank you, so likes.
Who's that? Freddie here. Oh, we got a cabinet here too. You can fit in there.
Yeah. I'm hiding. Someone having an stress, the man having an stress, and the wife's stalking them. Maybe they will hide another under the mattress. And then the wife, hey, where's the man?
Let's see what the weather is. Oh, it's raining.
Oh, it's
It was all wet.
Go outside.
Fred said it's raining there too. Thunderstorm.
Maybe later it will stop raining.
Can't even see the volcano.
Yeah, we're gonna see the
Don't go on.
Huh?
It's gone. Float away. Went away. Philippines, here I am.
Philippines. New beginning of.
Oh, look, they can look in the mirror and see us.
Oh, see us. Oh my, yes. Hello, Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Pat. Good morning.
Oh, there's laundry.
The laundry.
Yes. Laundry? Yeah. This bag with the paper. I kept the back one. I have one copy. What?
Copy. Another copy.
What's it? supposed to sign in. Thank you.
Signature. Name. Okay.
It'll be done today, like this afternoon. Okay, good. Thank you. Is Fred there? Where's Freddie? Is he there?
Yeah.
You got it right. Oh,
Does
Pat's on there.
Mike
Pat's on
know
there. Hey, Pat.
how to write Cheryl? Does Mike know how to write? Let's go. Serpent, if you know how to write.
Where's that? Say hi to. Hey, Pat.
Hey,
Pat.
Serpent. Hello, brother Mike. Beautiful lovebirds. Thank you, Serpent. Miss you, brother
Lovebirds.
Mike.
Pat, you're next. You better get over here.
Serpent, when you come here, I miss you, brother Mike.
See, tell Fred, look. Hey, Fred, you look.
Palace.
The Phillies.
Palace.
Phillies, a baseball
Sir
team.
Fred, the Palace.
The Phillies. Philadelphia Phillies.
I'm next to come to
No
Philippines. Yay! Get rid of that shirt, Mike.
Fred don't like my shirt.
Get rid of that shirt, Mike. Sir Pat coming here next.
I think he's planning on coming to the Philippines
Yeah.
soon.
I think he said April, Sir Pat, right? You coming here here in the
Next to Tom.
Philippines?
Yeah, I know he's planning on coming soon.
Yeah.
Beautiful here with the volcano.
Hi, Joya, the owner of the speedboat. Volcano.
I said it's beautiful here, and with the volcano, when you can see it.
Yeah.
Look how many people's in there.
Oh.
My God, they're off. Maybe if it rains, we'll go back to the mall later.
Okay.
Get you some socks. What else? You need socks and
Sandals for Saturday. You like hair? You like hair?
like who? Here, yes. Yeah, absolutely. I like it better when I'm here permanent.
Yeah.
Soon.
Peaceful. You will meet new friends. And sometimes we visit Surfran together, like vacation. We're going to Manila and Sir Manila. Surfran, you need to go to Manila and we met Mike and Venus.
Yeah.
Mike and Venus near to Manila.
I don't think Fred wants to meet Mike and Vince.
Oh, you don't like that.
Well, too far.
Too far.
Yeah, because he lives way down Mindanao to go up to Manila.
Mm.
It's far. Let's see who's on there. You ain't reading the chat.
Yeah, I really don't see the chat. My God. They don't care about viewers.
That's what he said.
Yeah, you're streaming over here, not over there. Get back here. Get back here. You're right, mother. They need come over here and live saved. Oh my God, sorry. I didn't. We didn't realize we have live on the live. Oh my God, you're right, bro.
Hey, if they were smart, they'd see in the mirror and they could see us there.
Yeah.
But I forgot. Fred ain't that smart.
Sorry, my God, I didn't care about viewers.
See, Fred, you see
Would
over
give
here.
you Yankee shirt, but I can find one that fits you, Mike. Biwa before I visit there. Okay pa. Oh my God. I'm not right. I'm not right.
Get back here. Forgot about the viewers. Not too busy out there.
Yeah. People calm. Not like in Manila, my God. Busy people there.
Yeah, when I was taking off, I looked and seen all the buildings. Very busy.
When I'm in Manila, I walk fast, like not normal walk. I walk fast because the time, we need the time. Time is, the time is gold there.
I'm gonna go downstairs.
Okay.
Let me out there.
Okay, I will.
But you do this live. You talk to the viewers. Don't get them mad. Don't get Fred angry.
So Fred, he's going to the outside and then the
Have a cigarette.
cigarettes. Hey, good morning, Paseka. Paseka, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, boring pad.
And when I'm out there, you can take the camera chart away. Okay?
When
See,
you...
there he is.
Okay.
Okay? You got your key, right?
Yeah, I have a key.
Because I don't have one now.
Okay.
I have to take mine.
Okay.
Give me yours.
I need mine because you going on.
I'll take this and leave that one in there. I'll be back.
Okay, right back.
Stay back, Jack.
Careful.
Put it in here. Bye, Freddie.
Cigarettes. Hello. Good morning, Paseka. Hello, Sir Fred from Pusakal. And now she hiding, but I'm not. Am I going down because he cigarettes? I think I said going outside, but I need to look. Ah, it's raining here. That's why. Raining here. The volcano hiding. I see that battlefield. Hard rain here, yes. Raining here. Raining. really hard right here. Alright, alright. I didn't know. It's raining in the Philippines. Yeah, raining here now. From Coma. Hi, Johnson. We're now from Coma. Hello po. We waiting for Boom Boom video. No Boom Boom video. May gulay. Boom Boom. No, no Boom Boom video. Have a great day, everyone. Keep safe. Thank you po. Are you having fun po? Yes po. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. Their Boom Boom is screaming, brother. My God. No, that's only in ano. Sir John, how are you pa? God bless. How was the wedding? The wedding is coming soon because having an engagement ring. Beautiful. Oh my gulay. Beautiful engagement ring. Hi, Elami Vlogs. Hello po. Ay, oh my God. Ela, kumusta diyan? Didn't you just eat a lot of breakfast? I eat a lot of breakfast, but I want to eat I want to eat more. Yes, and eating again. Yes. And eating again now. Yes. I'm always eating. My God. I'm gain weight and eating again. Eating again now. Lakilig. Rico. Lakilig. Lakilig. Gulay. Hi, Ace. Sensible. Uh, Orange. I ate orange fruits. Fruit. Okay. Yes, pa. I'm on phone with Mike. Ah, okay. Okay. Yes, he said no bomb bomb yet. Why? Because he respect me. That's why. Why laughing, Sir Pat? May gulay. Wait. Happy birthday of you, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Wait lang. Well, much welcome, Cheryl. Thank you po. Walay. Thank you. Scroll up my comment. Oh my god, wait. Scroll up your comment. What's your comment? Yeah, you comment. He said no boom boom. I'm on the phone because he respect me, Sir Fred. Cold. Too cold, too cold. Pretty woman, running down the street, pretty woman. Yeah. Time is right. Going, going. Oh yeah. If you want to see my song, send super chat. That's not free. Charot. You know, this is very charismatic and very attractive. Would you say hello as silahiten by touching your nose? Hello. Hello. So 10, 26. Six. Mike is on fifth floor. Smoke, my God. Be careful there. Thanks. Right on, my gulay. Oh me, oh my friend. Thanks, welcome. Right on. Do you have nothing to do on this great morning, Cheryl? We're planning going outside, but not yet now because raining. Hope it stop raining. We need to going outside and going to a beautiful place here in the Gaspi Albay. Good, good rainy day for good rainy day for good rainy day for boom boom. My goodness. Okay, sure. No, I stay in bed all day. Yes, stay in bed all day. Stay in bed all day. Sorry, Fred, you're going to fifth floor for smoke. This is right.
No, I didn't have to. We gotta get the pocket Wi-Fi at the mall.
Yeah.
Remember?
Oh wow, yes, we need to find.
I forgot. Fred reminded me.
If we go to everywhere we go, no internet interruption.
Right. Are you reading his chat?
Yeah.
He's bullying you.
It's now enough with the thumb. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh my gulay. 2 feet. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Uncle Freddie.
Uncle Freddy. Oh my god. As Sir Fred said, rainy day. Good deed to Bumbo.
Yeah, he said tie Mike down and then just do it.
Sir Fred said, Mike, I'm on the phone with Mike, and he said, no boom boom. Why no boom boom? I told him, get your packet Wi-Fi at mall. Thank you, Sir Fred. Miko, look at your feet. who ang who stole your one of it? Is there any mom? Roar. Worth mother case of bear, yeah. Worth another case of bear. Super chat, super stickers, and memberships are available. Please click $sign.
Is Pat still there?
Huh?
Pat, is he still there?
Sir Pat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I may think he's still. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Sir Rob.
Look how pretty your hair is.
My hair is good.
Yeah.
I'm here. Sir Pat is still here. See how cute Mike is gay.
Gotta take care of the woman.
He practicing for transgender today.
I gotta get a dress
He is
and high heels.
There's no gentle can do my hair if I had go. Thank you, Sir Rob. Thank you, Sir Freddy.
Oh, yeah, it's raining now. We'll go to the mall.
We'll go to the mall later.
We'll go to the mall later. Get you socks.
Yes, sex.
See if you got a pocket Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Thank you, Sir Fred. My God. And then?
Then we can eat lunch there.
Yeah, maybe.
Then we come back here. We'll go up to the
Yes, because the rooftop is open at 11.
11 until tonight.
He's fitting or the
Wet,
rain?
wet from the rain.
Out from the rain. My God, go 46. Maybe because the weather changes. The weather,
Something like that.
and maybe
Hey, Fred, I was on the phone with Fred. He called me.
I think I feel on your phone because maybe I. No iPhone 17 for son. No, no. I wondering. Oh my God! No, never. Not yet. Not yet. Not now. My son, I never want about pregnant. Why you want? Oh my God. I saw son say that in your stream. That's why.
Yeah, he saw it yesterday. He's
Yeah.
got to translate it. I got honors. I want an iPhone 17 or
Yeah.
something.
Ma, I am an honor student. I'm a top 4. What you want to give? I want iPhone. It's like a warm. You feel a little warm. Yeah. The aircon is working. Not
I
yet.
think it's off right now.
Yeah, but it's on. Maybe not working.
It goes off sometimes.
Mm.
You'll hear it when it comes on.
Comes on.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to see you wash my clothes in like, washing machine. My God.
Oh, yeah, he said, wash the clothes in Rick's washing machine. He said,
Lol.
yeah, hon, we'll do it live.
Yeah.
Washing the clothes with me to wash. And I'll say, thank you, Rick.
It's working now. I think it's. I'm,
I get it.
yeah, it's working now.
Yeah.
Maybe
So,
I don't know how to.
yeah, it's on now. Be right back.
The mall open soon. Yes, the mall open soon.
What's that?
Hurry up! Almost time to air.
Oh. What's he
Be
say?
right back. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
What's he
Pat.
got?
Got phone calls coming in. Okay. Eat. To eat. Not yet. The mall is still closed. Not here. Okay. To eat. Sir Fred said, "You not yet breakfast." I already ate breakfast.
Yeah, we already had breakfast.
Why you eat? I ate again because I ate orange.
Yes, yeah, only 2 times.
10 a.m. open, yes. The mall opens very soon. We're going to the mall and we eat on a lunch there. We're having a counselor even we're together now. Even we are together, Sir Fred, we are having a counselor because you always eat. Yes, I'm always eating. Thank you, Sir Fred. I mute my mic. Look, Mike will have to find a job to feed you. She's taking care of me as well. I am the live. I am the live. Sir Fred, I am the live. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining everyone here. Sometimes I feel bored when nothing to say.
Tom will do a live at the mall.
Yeah, I'm doing live on the mall. Later, we're going live at the mall. Look like he was taking care of you, brushing hair. Yes. Yes, po, Sir Fred. We're doing live at the mall.
Fred, that's because that's the only hair she has to brush.
Yes. Yeah, I have brush hair now, Sir Fred.
He's jealous. He don't brush his wife's hair.
I am. Thank you, Sir Fred. Bye bye. I'm doing live at the mall.